I recently upgraded from my old John Deere gasoline mower to this Ryobi 54-inch zero-turn electric mower. And I thought it might be helpful for you to see the unboxing process that I went through. See, I didn't go with the option of just driving a trailer to the Home Depot front yard and driving it off the sidewalk onto the trailer. I opted for delivery, and it was delivered on this steel pallet with some assembly required. So I unbagged it and I removed all the boxes of all the pieces parts. And no, I'm not gonna be able to lift it off there. I learned that the hard way. I'm gonna have to drive it off. So I removed the bars that form the frame around the pallet. It ships with the battery disconnected, so you have to connect it. I mounted this extremely comfy, spongy seat. Oh, it also comes with this safety feature that you have to be seated in the seat when the key is on. Otherwise, it gives this really loud beeping for all the neighbors to see. Next, we mount the levers that are used for steering. They have some adjustment, they have some play in there, and the reason why I'm going to be covering in the next video. Next, we mount this steel plate onto the mower. This steel plate allows you to use cool things like a dump cart or a grass catcher. So now comes the fun part. The steel pallet doesn't allow it to move during shipping. So it takes great assistance and even a ramp to get it off the pallet once you have it fully assembled and the battery hooked up. Then back it off and plug it in. It has to be plugged in for 24 hours before you use it for the first time. But my plug here in the garage is a 20 amp circuit, so keep that in mind. Once fully charged, it's time for its maiden voyage. Now I gotta tell you, there's a serious learning curve on these zero-turn mowers. To see all the tricks that I picked up, click the image in your screen now.